Rest in peace, video editing tools. ByteDance just dropped something crazy. This new AI tool can literally clone the created DNA of any viral video and recreate it for you. So, Pippit AI, a ByteDance product, can you now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you to create any viral video from an online reference. There's some viral impact faster to launch. Let's be real. Most creators struggle to make their next viral video. You spend hours on editing, trying different styles, but nothing guarantees result. And here is the truth. Viral videos are not luck. They follow a proven formula. So instead of starting from scratch, why not just copy what is already working? So this is exactly what Pippit AI is doing right now. It's an AI tool from ByteDance, and it is designed to replicate viral videos using same features called a reference video feature. Here is how it works. You take any viral video, TikTok, YouTube, ads, upload it or paste a link into it, Pippit, and use AI analyze everything, hook, structure, pacing, effect, audio, and then recreate the same structure using your content. This is what they call cloning the creative DNA. So let me show you everything step by step. Number 1, go to Pippit AI website and open the reference video structure bus. After opening the reference video structure, you can check it out. Number 2, you need to paste a viral video link or upload a file. You can check it on step number 3. Now, Pippit analyze the video. Step number 4, next I replace it with my own content. You can check it out, and after that you need to click on the generate option, guys. So guys, after that you can see, now look at this. You can clearly see same hook style, same pacing, similar transitions, matching energy, but this variant is completely mine. This is basically a shortcut video content. You don't need to analyze videos. Many learn complex editings, spend hours recreating effects, analyze videos manually. Pippit does it in minutes. So if you run faceless YouTube channels, TikTok pages, crypto or meme content, this is insane. Just find a viral video in your niche, use Pippit and recreate it with your own ideas. That's how you grow faster. Right now is actually the best time to try this because Pippit is free to use and you can get new creators added in. So if you want your next viral video, or go sign up and start creating. Get this help you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Would you try this or not? See you in the next one.